Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to create auto captions in Capcut. So first of all, just need to open up your Capcut app on your mobile, as you can see on your screen. And here, basically, all you need to do, just need to tap on the new project button. Now here in this video, for example, if you're going to play this one, you don't find any captions here. So if you want to add auto captions, all you need to do is tap on the text right here at the bottom. And basically, just tap on this auto captions right here at the bottom middle. And once you tap on this auto captions, then here you'll find some option here. You can basically change the language of these captions. So in the default, you are in English, but you can change it if you tap on that English. Basically, you'll find all the languages that you can actually use. So in this case, I just want to use this English. Once done, just need to go back. Then here you will find a sound source if you want to auto captions all, if you want just the voiceover, or if you just want the sound from the video. So here in this sample, just want to choose voiceover. And then here you can select the animation that you want on the captions on your video. So basically, you just need to select one here. And some can access if you are subscribing to CapCut Pro. So you just need to subscribe first. And there's also some free right from here. So I just want to choose a free captions basically. So for example, this one. And also if you're going to scroll down, you'll find bilingual subtitles. You can actually add another language here. And then you will find here at the bottom it says identify invalid clips. So we're going to enable this option here. Now, once you've done, you just need to tap on this start button right here at the bottom middle of your screen. And right here, as you can see, it is now starting to creating an auto captions on your video. So we just need to wait for a few seconds here until it finish to 100%. And here, if you're going to play this one, you'll find the auto captions on this video. And basically, you can resize your caption. You can basically drag this icon here to make the text bigger. And also, you can change the font style of the text of the caption. So right from here, I have a white text. And if you want to change this font color, you basically tap on that caption and then tap on this style right here at the bottom. And you'll find all the text style that you can put on your caption. So right from here, you can actually edit also your captions. And you can also change the colors. You can change the highlights of the text. So for example, I just want to use this one. So just tap on the check icon at the top right of this option. And we'll basically check this apply all. And here is the result. And that's it. That's how you basically create auto captions in CapCut. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.